How do you think of GMO? Do you think GMO is harmful? If you think so, please listen carefully to this speech. I was usually interested in cooking, so I was interested in GMO food. So I chose this as the topic of presentation and studied a lot of data in this field. Do you know why GMO was developed? It is for enhancing productivity and strengthening products. GMO is a gene recombination technique that combines the useful genes of one creature with those of another, transforming parts of the gene for a particular purpose. GMO food has been a debate among many people since shortly after its development. Opponents of GMO claim that GMO food has an adverse effect on people's bodies. But I insist to you today that GMO food is not harmful to the human body at all. To make GMO food, it is essential to study biotechnology in a wide range of fields, including genetic engineering. Edgar J. Da Silva writes in 2002 issue of Electronic Journal of Biotechnology, studies for the use of enzyme machinery in invisible microbe and genetic manipulation are being used to improve soil fertility, increase crop yields, and design solutions to engage in molecular farming for the production of new biological products and new crops. Research and use of GMOs will increase in the future to gain a wide range of biofuels, bioplastics, biodiesel, biodetergents, biolubricants, and biopharmaceutical to bioornamentals reflecting new plant and floral architecture. Researching biotechnology to use GMO food results in a high degree of improvement in human technology research. Second, GMO food improves the quality of food. GMO foods have a nature to protect plants from pests and disease themselves through genetic modification. So, this can reduce the damage of many crops. Wikipedia website includes information on how strict GMO food is approved. The number of USDA approved field releases for testing grew from 4 in 1985 to 1,194 in 2002 and averaged around 800 per year thereafter. The number of sites per release and the number of gene constructs, ways that the gene of interest is packaged together with other elements, have rapidly increased since 2005. Releases with agronomic properties such as drought resistance jumped to from 1,043 in 2005 to 5,190 in 2013. Releases were approved for herbicide tolerance 6,772 releases, insect resistance 4,809, product quality such as flavor or nutrition 4,896, agronomic properties like drought resistant 5,190, and virus fungal resistant 2,616. Finally, GMO food can be a solution to the current global food problem. The world's population is growing steadily, but urbanization and development are reducing farmland for grain production. Also, the food supply has become very unstable due to climate change, and the food self-reliance rate is gradually decreasing. GMO is not a matter of choice but of survival. GMOs can greatly help solve food problems as they serve to increase yields by reducing damage to pests, weeds, and viruses. I quote Zilberman say in the journal Truth about genetically modified foods. Zilberman said the use of GM crops has lowered the price of food and it has increased farmer safety by allowing them to use less pesticide. It has raised the output of corn, cotton, and soy by 20 to 30%. allowing some people to survive who would not have without it. If it were more widely adopted around the world, the price of food would go lower and fewer people would die of hunger. According to Divine Ankonia Makumo, Heidi Riedel, and Irina Semtansky, author of Social and Economic Issues, Genetically Modified Food, governments in many countries are able to provide adequate food supply to their growing population. These advancements have resulted in the development of efficient vaccines and pharmaceuticals, new food technologies, and many other products, improving the overall standard of life. Humans have historically suffered from food problems, but if we use GMO food and the technology used in GMO wisely, human, human could solve this chronic problem. In today's presentation, I explain to you three main points: the development of biotechnology, excellent quality of food, and advantages to life of the food product. To help you understand, I have shown some of the reasons why GMO food is good for us. Did the evidence I provided help you? Do you think GMO food is safe now after hearing this announcement? Also, are you willing to eat?